Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and thanks for checking out my brief video today. And in this video, I really want to share what the secret 3 pages blessing program is. So that's going to be the focus of this video. So if you would direct your attention here for me, let me just highlight this. Okay. Yeah, all right. So it says, how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you? It's all about the direct payments, and it's all about you, and it's all about blessings. So please just take a moment to think about that, okay? And I want to go to another place on my page and share something else with you, and I'm going to leave the link to my website in the description area of this video, so you can go there and grab that link and pull up this web page, okay? And you'll be able to check out the things that I'm cover in this video. This is going to be a very short video, okay? Okay, so I want to start here. You do not need a website to do this business. However, you will be introduced to an easy to use, no cost website solution that you can use if you want to. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, now I am introducing the secret 3 pages blessing program, or what we call in short, the blessing program. It is one of the best ways to start generating quick funds online today. It is a simple, easy, and potentially very profitable program. The secret 3 steps pages is a powerful Cliff Notes style mini course in personal transformation. You'll receive life-changing information, okay? The secret 3 pages are currently equivalent to approximately 20 Word document pages, and every month more life-changing information will be added to the program. In other words, and for clarity, 1 page of our system can contain the equivalent of up to 10 or more Word document pages. So you get the point. 3 pages contains a lot of information with our program, okay? Now, I want to direct your attention. Okay, we're going to go to what you get. So let me just pull that up. Okay, so there's a lot of information that I'm not going to share in this video, but it's on this page. And again, there's going to be a link in the description area of the video where you can access this page, okay? But I want to draw your attention quickly to here, and this is the earnings potential. And you could potentially earn thousands of dollars per month by sharing this program and receiving multiple $100 payments, okay, with this system, okay? What you get, so that's what I want to focus on in this section, okay? What you get, you will receive the secret 3 pages, which contains vital life-changing information, okay? And that is our personal transformation mini course, which currently is about 20 Word document pages, okay? And it's growing because I'm adding things all the time. I'm adding principles and concepts, life-changing stuff, okay? You'll also receive helpful instructions, a list of our top advertising resources, an action plan, our bi-monthly newsletter, DFY email post, okay, and the rights to market the secret 3 pages. All right. And so, that's kind of what I wanted to share in this video. It's only $100 to get started, one time out of pocket, 100. And the potential is that you can earn multiple $100 payments. Okay. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I want to wish you a blessed and wonderful day to you. Okay, now be sure to grab the link, check everything out, see everything that we have to offer through this program. We're just getting started. We just launched this program not a couple of weeks, last week. Okay, so you can check the date, and so it is powerful. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, again wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye bye now.